Hey gang, welcome back to Post Family Pilgrimage. Hope you guys are doing well. Mail call package just came. Pretty excited about this. It's going to help us right there. So those are the factory halogen bulbs. So tonight after it gets dark, I want to drive around, do a little comparison, and then we'll do an install tomorrow morning in the daylight. And then we'll see tomorrow night what that looks like, just the difference in the bulbs, and report back to you. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Here we go. All right, gang, so this is my current headlights. Let's see. All right, this is my regular halogen headlights, and it's shocking that the iPhone makes it so much brighter than they really are. So this is regular headlights. Okay, this is also a good spot where you can just see these are my halogen headlights and nothing else. Okay guys, so it's now the next day. I'm out here with this package. I'm gonna pop the hood on the 4Runner and get after these lights. We'll get these installed. So these are the LED light Y19s from Auxito. This is the H8, 9, or 11, and the 4Runner is going to call for the H11s, I believe. Look at that. Gloves in the box. That is awesome. Okay. Wow. There's our bulbs, our little wiring harnesses for each one. That's incredible. Little adjustable tools. So I'm going to read over this little manual right here just to make sure I do things properly. Okay, so as you can see, we've got all of our stuff laid out right here. Here is our bulbs. Look at that little power pack there for each one. Just kind of all the stuff. So what I've got to do, here's our bulb. So you take this right here and you turn it. It's going to go counterclockwise, see that? About 15 degrees, and there it comes off. Okay, so we don't want any dirt or dust to get in this, so I'm just gonna set this right here, face up, like that. And then inside of here is my old bulb. See that right there, right here? Just slightly turn that. So this just twists out from right there. And then you disconnect it right here. Okay, so this is, as far as I am aware, very impressed. This was the factory bulb. I have never changed these in my 3.5 years of owning the 4Runner. Okay, so got this on. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a glove on in order to properly handle that right there. Just because fingerprints and everything, I don't want to mess up any of the LEDs. All right, so that is just absolutely beautiful. Look at the size of that. And quite larger in comparison to the size of what I am replacing. Now, cool thing here is it literally, guys, it's just a plug and play. See that right there is my adapter or connector. I will connect it to this and then just plug it right back in. Okay, it's as simple as that. So now I've got the bulb itself, as you can see right here, is set in there. Still have the wiring out, but I'm gonna test it first. See the bulb? There we go. Halogen, look at that. Nice. Okay. That one's been done. That one has not. Look at the difference, y'all. My goodness. Okay, so the light bulb works fantastically. I'm gonna take these wires here. I'm gonna push them back up into this housing, just like that, so they're out of the way. And then I can bring this back over here and twist this back on. Oops. There we go. This is a little bit harder on driver's side as opposed to passenger because you're going to be dealing with your battery. Okay guys, so this is super simple. Now I've got the next one attached. As you can see, the wiring harness for it right here. I'm just going to slide this into this slot right there where the camera is showing you, right there where my thumb is, and we'll be all set with this one. Let's see if I can just keep the camera right here for you so that you can see me install this guy. Just a matter of getting that groove just right, and then you just turn clockwise as opposed to counterclockwise to get it off, and it just sets. So let me get this lined up here. Okay guys, got that one in there. So as you can see right here now is just our wiring. Just to take these wires and put them directly in there, back into the space. Again, around it, just like that. I'm sorry, you can't see that. There you go. Then we take our lid. This has an O-ring right here, and so that is for keeping water, mud, all the things out. There we go. So I got this in here, and now I just twist it like that. See if I can twist it a little bit more. I have to use my other hand now. There we go. That's it. Okay, so got them both in there now. Let me start it up so we can see them. There now, both LEDs. Okay gang, so that really is right there just how easy it is to install these. And that literally is the install. Okay, so as soon as it gets dark, we're gonna drive around and we're gonna do a little comparison video. So I'm gonna record just what the new headlights now look like driving around, and we will do a comparison of what the original factory headlights, the halogen bulbs, look like, just in comparison so that you can have an idea. That took me, if I wasn't filming, I would have had that done 5 to 10 minutes tops. And again, never even having changed out the bulbs in this vehicle before. After 3 years, that's pretty incredible. So let's, as soon as it gets dark, which for you guys, it's gonna be like this. Okay, so as you can see, that's a pretty good line. I'm gonna back up. That's the LEDs. keeping a line. That's pretty impressive. Drastic difference than before. It feels like my brights compared to my halogen bulbs. So that is awesome. I'm gonna drive us over to the same place where I tested the halogens, just so that you can see the difference there as well. Y'all, this is unbelievable to me. Just how bright this is. This is awesome. Okay, so now I am right back where I was the other night, in the dark. Okay, this is also a good spot where you can just see these are my halogen headlights and nothing else. All right, gang, I wanted to be completely fair, so I went and turned off the little side lights. So here is the difference. That right there. That compared to this. So regular headlights. So that's the Auxitos. So regular headlights. That's just impressive. And that line, pretty awesome. All right, guys, so to wrap this one up, Auxito, they did send me these to try them out, and I'm blown away. My initial thoughts on the way back from driving over there was simply this: why did I not do these immediately when I first got the 4Runner? About 3.5 years ago. My honest thoughts were they probably weren't out like this. The quality of these things, these are supposed to last 50 times longer than your halogen, and they're ridiculously brighter. I think they said 400 times brighter than your halogen bulbs. I double checked that, and yes, it says 400 times brighter than your bulbs. Super easy install, 5 to 10 minutes is all it takes. Hey, you can check these out by going to the link below in the description and then put in post family. You'll get 10% off. These things run about $100, and so it's even less than that with that discount there. All right. Again, they sent me these, and these are incredible. I'm absolutely loving them. I'm probably gonna want to do those in the fogs, everything else. Just so impressed. So simple to install, and should last a really long time. If you're running halogen bulbs like I've been ever since I got that thing, do yourself a favor, pick you up a set of these. I do not think you will be disappointed by any means. All right. Hey, that's going to wrap this one up for us. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do us a huge favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys.